Forest River Park Models 2019 Expo. Let's go check out the newest stuff from Forest River. This is a 355 Loft, new offering in a price point. That's what people like. Good pricing. Fireplace, sleeper sofa, narrator, kitchen. Walk through to the new and improved cabinetry, window blinds on every window. Lighted closets, pantry, linen closet, nice big bathroom, shower. I got one of these on order, but I put glass doors in it, so to give women something to clean. Just kidding. Okay. Got a nice 5-burner range. It's got a big bank of drawers here. You got a loft even. Big loft. Auxiliary air conditioner back in the corner. It's got a TV jack. Heading downstairs. This is a new floor plan for 2020. From the Forest River Expo in Elkhart, Indiana, 2019.
And I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this real?